a bit cloudy, so I'm now using a rubbing compound to try and take that layer of cloud off, and then I'm going to put some elbow grease into some polish and then clear coat it. Welcome back, everybody. This week we're refurbing the EP3's headlights because, as you can see, they're grim. It just makes the car look so dated when they're shady.
You can feel the scratches in it.
I know. So yeah, as always, I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never done this before, but
oh, we're gonna ruin the headlights even more.
maximum effort.
To be determined, really. We can either make it better or completely ruin them.
Mate, I'll make it better because we're modified weekly. So yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do is tape up the surrounding area.
Attempt to tape up the surrounding area.
Well,
We'll come back when it's taped.
alright. So we've got one taped up satisfactorily now. So we're gonna go with some 800 grit to 1500 grit to 2500 grit wet and dry paper. So I'm gonna just dab a little bit of water on it.
So you've got the bottle.
I wanted a spray bottle, but
It's solid.
okay. This is gonna look so bad after this. It's gonna just look terrible. Should have bought a sanding block as well.
It's like something you know, you spilled tea on it.
Yeah, I know.
We'll come back when there's a little bit more progress. It's going to take quite a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're just in about 10 minutes on the 800. Two sheets worth. And it is already a massive improvement dirt-wise. It just looks fuzzy now. So we're going to move on to a finer grit and try and remove that fuzziness. Looks like someone has spunked all over your headlight, but I think that's alright. So now we're done with the 1500 grit. It's still a bit cloudy, but that's why we've got 2500 grit.
It's
clean.
Definitely an improvement.
100% an improvement. It's well clean compared to that one. So I'm now using a rubbing compound to try and take that layer of cloud off, and then I'm going to put some elbow grease into some polish and then clear coat it, and hopefully, I'm really hoping that it does come up clear instead of scratched. I ain't got much faith right now, but
Halford's sponsored. Yeah, hit us up. Halford's, if you want to do a little deal, you know.
get out of here, Halfords.
So the way you use the cutting compound is basically read the instructions on the back. So apply a small quantity of the rubbing compound to the actual surface. Keep your cloth damp. So we put some water on the polishing pad or whatever ollys you're using. Move the cloth evenly around, applying pressure to the surface area. And then to obtain a high gloss, use Halford's Colour Restorer, but we're just going to use Clear Coat.
Yep.
Because Halford's Colour Repairer is a rip-off.
And it's clear, so.
So yeah, we're going to do that. So we have just put, well, Ollie's just put some elbow grease in to do in the compound. So this is what we started with. Really patchy, really scratched, ugly, like kind of a green tinge to it. And this is what we've got now. So that's just after one pass over with the cutting compound.
No polish or nothing yet.
So as we step back, you can see the difference between headlights. I mean, the tape does give a little bit of anomaly, but it honestly is a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Let's carry on, clear coat it, polish it, and move on to the other side. Finishing off that other side, I'm going to make a start on this side, so getting it to the same quality as that one. So let's get that done.
Alright, so after sandpaper, cutting compound, polish, and 3 layers of clear coat on each, they are done. We're just removing the tape now, and they look sick. Mate, the tape's all in the edges.
Tape's wet as well.
I know. Look.
Did you clear cut over it? It's stuck.
Yeah. Okay, so it's completely dark now because we forgot to do an outro, so we were just chilling. But the headlights are done, and my car is now covered in semen.
It legit looks like someone's gone.
Because I haven't washed it yet, but yeah, they're a bit pitty from the clear coat, but
they're a lot better.
Other than that, they actually pop in. So yeah, all of this came to less than 20 quid from Health Frauds, and well, yeah, it was just sandpaper, 800, 1500, 2500. Bro, that is so bright. Rubbing compound, polish, and clear coat. 4 things, and yeah, you can renew your headlights from scratched up yellow to that. Following it on from yesterday's video of the restoration of headlights, this is what it looks like in the daylight because it got dark yesterday. They are 1,000,000 times better. Cool, boy, it needs a clean now. There is literally no scratches or nothing on it. The clear coat made it go a little bit funny, but that's alright, I don't mind that. Yeah, so yeah, nice and clean. And yeah, tidy. So I just got a jet wash. I'm just going to jet wash all of the jizz marks off. That is how you do a headlight restoration. It's not a bad job. Not a bad job at all. About 40 minutes per headlight it took us. Less than 20 quid it cost. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye. The tyres are sticky, mate, and you can just grip for days. But when it's cold and wet and rainy, it's a bit slippy, a bit scary. And when you're in VTEC, it jumps the wheels, even though I haven't got a map, and it's spinning up the wheels in VTEC when it's wet. I do have budget tyres on though, which I do regret right now.